How to fix Google Chrome signing you out when the browser is closed. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn on how to prevent Google Chrome from logging you out when you close the browser and open it again. It can be really annoying when you get signed out of your website time and again after you close it. But there is a really simple fix which you must try. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go ahead, open your Chrome browser. Once it's open, click on the three vertical dots in the top right and select settings from there. And in the left menu, choose privacy and security option and then click on cookies and other site data on the right side. Make sure that the option to clear cookies and site data when you close all the windows is turned off. And if it's on, switch it off and try again. If that doesn't work, you can choose to allow all the cookies and then try again. This should definitely solve your problem. So this is basically on how can you fix the Google Chrome signing you out when the browser is closed. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.